In autumn 2016, we had a call from the makers of the Man Engine. They wondered if we wanted to host the Man Engine here in Swansea. They'd heard about the work that we at Swansea University had been doing at the Havant Copperworks site. We put together a partnership of 5 partners and we approached Welsh Government Visit Wales and thankfully they funded us £175,000 to put on this tour.
2016 was the 10th anniversary of the designation of the Cornish Mining World Heritage Site. To celebrate that, we thought, why not build the largest mechanical puppet ever made in Britain? A giant miner, and we steamed him the length of the Cornish mining landscape in that summer, and 150,000 people, that's about 1 in 3 of the population of Cornwall, turned out to meet and greet us on the way. It was epic.
The story for the whole Man Engine is about coal, but of course the reason why Swansea is such an amazing place for copper smelting was that the coal was readily available. So without the coal, nothing else can happen. Between 1841 and 1851, Wales turns from a rural, non-industrial, non-urban society to one that actually where more people are living in the cities and towns and more people are working in industry as opposed to in agriculture.
Do you know anywhere with a population of people for whom mining and the industrial heritage of this nation is just beneath the skin? Do you know anywhere where they'll come out in their thousands to greet a miner and celebrate the extraordinary innovation and amazing gifts to the world that this place gave? Got to be South Wales. Just has to be, isn't it?
I think it's a very exciting project in the way that it's celebrating our industrial heritage in the South Wales valleys, and it's bringing something quite spectacular to an area I think that is underrepresented but also is so rich in their industrial heritage. So it's about celebrating the way that these communities were essential in the innovation of steel and coal and iron, and how that then was transferred and transported all across the world. It's definitely a fantastic celebration of the history and the innovation that surrounds the Welsh valleys.
The most exciting thing about the Man Engine is the way he interacts with the audience. So for him to stand up to his full 11.2 metres in height, waking him from his slumber, people have to sing to him. So you have thousands and thousands of people interacting him by singing, which is a fantastic celebration of Welsh culture in many ways.
We're going to kick off up at the World Heritage Site of Blenavon, at the Ironworks and the Big Pit, the National Mining Museum there, and then 5 days coming down through the valleys and pitching up here at Swansea on Thursday the 12th of April. We're going to be at the Maritime Museum. By the time we get out to the Copperworks in the evening, then we're going to have a really special after dark finale with some real pyrotechnic treats, and that will be the finale for the whole of Man Engine Cymru, Forging a Nation.